take basic attendance in Unified Classroom or PowerSchool. So the first thing you need to do is to sign in with Google. You're going to make sure that you use your Latin Gmail account. So sometimes you'll be taken directly to your PowerSchool landing page, but more often you'll be dropped into Unified Classroom right here. To get back to the attendance screen, you're going to have to go down to Quick Links and choose Power Teacher Portal Home. And here you'll see the main screen from where you can take attendance. Obviously this class is not meeting today, so that's why the attendance button is grayed out. But ordinarily, you would click this little chair to take attendance by looking at a list of your students' names, or you can click on this seating chart. Once you set up a seating chart, you'll see your little students' faces as you take attendance, which might be an easier format for you. You can see here all the different codes that you might select for a student's attendance for that day, and you'll get further instructions about which of these is appropriate in the full faculty training. Once every student has an attendance code, you're going to click Submit to submit that attendance for the day, and then back on that start page, you'll see that this bubble is bubbled in as a way of showing you that you have successfully completed attendance for that class period.